House guest. Let's see who's behind the door.
Audience, make some noise, please, for Sam and Adele. It's Sam and Adele. Hello, Sam. Hello, Adele. How are you guys doing?
Good.
Great. Wait, who's talking right now? Is that Sam?
Yeah.
Hello, Sam. Welcome to 2017. How's your year going so far? Are you having a good beginning of your year?
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay, good. Sam, why don't you go first? What is your resolution you'd like to make this year?
Try to listen to my parents more often and not fight with my sister.
Oh, I see. So you guys are brother and sister. Uh-huh. Yeah, this is a common challenge for siblings, somehow to coexist peacefully. It's very challenging. So, Sam, how are you going to do this? How are you going to stay out of trouble with your sister?
I don't know yet.
Okay, you have to do some, reading about passive resistance, nonviolent protest. You're going to have to do some really big research this year to make this work. Adele, do you have any suggestions on things Sam could do to not get in fights with you?
No. She sometimes teases me.
Oh, I see. Okay, so Adele, you could help by not teasing, and Sam, you could help by not retaliating. I don't know, maybe earbuds are the thing you need. Just put in headphones this year, or very, very thick earplugs. That might help you. Audience, give it up for Sam, who is really committed to preserving sibling community. Yeah, that's it. Hard to find the words there for me. Okay, thank you, Sam. Now, Adele, it's your turn. While Sam's not getting in fights with you, what are you going to try to do this year?
Try new foods and not torture my dog.
Wait, it started so easy there when you said try new foods. Okay, I get that one. Not torture your dog? What are you talking about, Adele?
Not put him in my room.
Oh, wait, why doesn't your dog like going into your room?
No, she sort of locks the door in it and doesn't let him come out.
Oh, I see. You put your dog, and why are you putting your dog in your room, Adele? Are you trying to get your dog to clean your room for you?
No.
What are you hoping your dog's going to do in your room?
She likes playing with him.
Oh, I see. Okay, wait, so are you in there with your dog with the door shut?
Yeah.
And your dog wants to get out of there?
Yeah.
Why does your dog want to leave? What exactly games are you playing with your dog in your room, Adele?
Picking him up.
Oh, I see. So, treating him like the family baby. Are you putting lipstick on your dog, Adele? Be honest.
No.
Are you doing celebrity makeovers with your pooch?
No.
I don't know. I've met some dogs that have been made over, and they do look very fancy, but they're not very happy about having that done. Eyeshadow and dogs do not mix. But I don't know. Just okay. So maybe giving your dog a little bit more of a free range responsibility around the house. Maybe letting your dog be one with the home and not just trapped in your room, Adele.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's an achievable goal. Who knows? Maybe you could just do all that makeup on your brother instead. You could do your makeovers on Sam. Put the lipstick and the eyeshadow on him.
I won't let her.
I don't know. Sam, you said you weren't going to fight with your sister, so let her put on the lipstick, okay? Audience, give it up for Sam and Adele in Ohio. They're making the world a safer place at their house.
Thanks for stopping by the Monkey House on Kids Place Live. I wonder who's coming over next time.